Welcome to Making It Fun, everybody. I am Rob Appel. I am your host, and I am super excited to have you right here with me in my home studio in California. It's an absolute blessing to be able to work out of my home. Now, I love creating fun videos, and what I would like to do with this next series is teach some of our newest quilters, or maybe somebody that's out there kind of honing their skills, what I think I know about the tools of our trade. So I'm going to put a couple quick videos together that focus individually on rotary cutters, then the actual rulers and the mats, and then I also want to talk about how I get a nice 1/4 inch seam allowance with a seam guide and how I do my pressing, just for a little bit more of a direction towards accuracy in case some of you are after that in your patchwork life. I'm not saying you must. You know me, I spent the first 20 years gluing my quilts together so I can free motion them. But there's a lot of fantastic energy out there, a lot of new folks super excited about making quilts and focusing on the patchwork. So I just want to show you a couple of the things that I think will help us all be just a bit more accurate. So enjoy this little series of videos right here at Making It Fun.